Hello everyone, I am Raj. Today I show how to you check any website create by which platform. It can be Wordpress, Magento, Laravel, Codeignator and any more. So how you can check by which platform any website are making. It is very simple. Please follow this video. You can also be see how any website is created by any which platform. Before this start this video, please like this video, and if you are new, please subscribe this our channel. Now let's start this video. Go to your any browser. I am open Chrome. You see this website. This is a very important website where you can check any website are created by which platform. It can be WordPress, Laravel, any framework or core PHP. Now open this website. You see this site is open. Now enter your link of any website. Now I put any random website name, then go to look up button. You see this page is come and scroll down. See this website is created by Magento. It is a one type of framework, and in here you also see which widget are in this website are taken. Now next one is next website is check this website. This website is created by WooCommerce. You see this, it is a WooCommerce based website. So you see how can you search this result. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for this related type of video. Thanks for watching.